Everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 3 on the chapter The Tiger King written by Kalki. Now let us start. As you know that the chief astrologer predicted that the tiger would be the cause of the king's death. So what was reaction from the side of the baby king? Let us see. You may think that Crown Prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into a quack. Quack means shivering when he heard the word tiger. See, you may think, you means readers, you may think that the crown prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into a quack means into a shivering. You may think that the king might have started shivering when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. But this thing did not happen. See the line? That was exactly what did not happen. This thing did not happen. The king did not shiver. As soon as he heard it pronounced, it means the word tiger, that tiger would be the cause of his death. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the crown prince gave a deep growling sound, roaring sound. The crown prince growled. Terrifying words emerged means came from his lips. Terrifying, frightening. Terrifying words emerged means came from his lips. Let tigers beware. Be careful. Let tiger be careful. This account is only a rumor. Right means prevailing in Pratibandhpuram. This account, this story, description of story. This account means description is only a rumor. Right means prevailing in Pratibandhpuram. But with hindsight, we may conclude it was based on some truth. See, but with hindsight means understanding of an hindsight means understanding of the nature of an event after it has happened. What is the meaning of hindsight? See, understanding of the nature of an event after it has happened. So with this hindsight, we may conclude it was based on some truth. It was based on some truth. See, Crown Prince Jung Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. Now, the baby king grew stronger and taller day by day. Crown Prince Jung Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. No other miracle marked his childhood days, apart from the event already described. Actually, no other miracle happened except the miracle that had already happened in his childhood days. No other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. The boy drank the milk of an English cow. See, the boy drink the milk of an English cow was brought up was brought up by an English nanny. Nanny means nursemaid. Nanny means nursemaid. He was brought up by an English nursemaid, tutored in English by an Englishman. Saw nothing but English film, and he saw only English films. Exactly as means he did the same thing as other crown princes used to do at the time. Exactly as exactly as the crown princes of all other Indian states did. He did exactly as the crown princes of all other Indian states did. When he came of age at 20, means when he became 20 years old. When he came of age at 20, when he became 20 years old, the state which had been the coats of wards until then came into his hand. Actually he was crown prince. Now he became king. Now he became a king. See the line. When he came of age at 20, the state which had been the coat of wards. See, this is what is the meaning of this phrase, coat of wards. See, the coat of wards was a legal body created by the East India Company on a model similar to the coat of wards and liveries that had existed in England from 1540 to 1660. Its purpose was to protect heirs and their estates when the heir was deemed to be a minor and therefore incapable of acting independently. Actually, he was minor. That's why his estate was under the control of the East India Company. But when he became adult, the state came into his hands. See the line. When he came of age at 20, the state which had been with the coat of wards until then came into his hand. Now he became full controller. He became a full controller of his state. Now he became a complete king. But everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction that tiger would be the cause of his death. This was the prediction, and everybody in the kingdom remembered this prediction. But everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ears, but now the matter came to the king's ear. There were innumerable forests in the Prativanpuram estate. There were innumerable means many, uncountable forests in the Pratibandhapuram estate. they had tigers in them, and there were tigers in these jungles. They had tigers in them. The Maharaja knew the old saying, and the Maharaja, the king, the tiger king, knew the old saying. What was the old saying? You may kill even a cow in self-defense. This was a saying, and he knew this, that you may kill even a cow in self-defense, because it was a question of self-defense. That's why he thought that he could kill tiger in his state. He thought that he could kill tigers in his state. There could be certainly no objection, protest, disapproval to killing tigers in self-defense. There could certainly be no objection to killing tigers in self-defense. He thought that there would be no objection, disapproval, protest in killing tigers in self-defense. The Maharaja went out on a tiger hunt, on a hunting of tigers. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. He went out to hunt tigers. The Maharaja was thrilled, means excited, beyond measure, means extremely, in unlimited way. The Maharaja was excited, beyond measure, means extremely, in unlimited way, when he killed his first tiger. When the Maharaja killed his first tiger, he was extremely excited, happy. He was extremely happy. He called the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast. He called the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast. Dead beast means that dead tiger. What do you say now? He demanded. He asked the state astrologer what he said then. The king asked the state astrologer what he said then. What do you say now? He demanded. He asked. Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner. Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner. But the astrologer drawled. Drawled means whispered. The astrologer whispered that the king might kill 99 tigers. But, see, he stopped. He could not complete his sentence. He stopped in the middle of the sentence. But what? Speak out without fear. But the king ordered him. The king ordered the astrologer to speak out everything in clear way without fear. But what? Speak without fear. The king ordered the state astrologer, to speak out everything in clear way without fear. Now, see what was said by the astrologer. But you must be very careful with the 100th tiger. But you means the king must be very careful with the 100th tiger, because the 100th tiger would be the cause of his death. That's why the astrologer warned the king to be careful of the 100th tiger. Thank you. Have a nice day.